Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a face to GIF using Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like edit photo, generate AI tools, avatars, etc. You're gonna have to scroll down. Then under spotlight, you're gonna see few options like Hunkify, AI stickers, then finally GIF make. Tap on it. Now you're gonna have to choose a GIF with a face on it. Scroll down, then find a GIF that has a face. Once you do that, it's gonna detect a face from the GIF. We have to wait a couple seconds there. Now you're gonna have to select the face that you've previously used or simply tap on the plus sign and select your photo with a face on it. Then all you have to do is wait for the Photoleap to add your face into the GIF. Once it's done, all you have to do is tap on save from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you add your face to GIF using Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.